The Pebble Flow is a smart and stylish electric RV made for modern travelers who love adventure with comfort. Its sleek design is not just for looks, it's 300% better at cutting through the air compared to regular trailers, helping you save on fuel and drive more safely. Inside, it feels like a modern tiny home, with big panoramic windows that let you enjoy a wide 270-degree view of nature. The furniture is flexible and easy to move, and there are clever storage spots everywhere. The kitchen works both inside and outside, and it even has a movable cooktop. The bathroom is high-tech with glass that changes transparency, and the air system is super quiet and controlled through the Pebble app. One of the coolest features is the ceiling that lights up like the night sky. With a strong 45 kilowatt-hour battery, it can power everything for up to 7 days without needing a charge. You can pre-order it starting at $19,000, while the fully loaded version with smart automated features costs $125,000.
Porsche Panamera Limousine, sports car thrills, limo luxury. Imagine a car that combines the heart-pounding excitement of a Porsche with the sprawling luxury of a limousine. That's the amazing idea behind the Porsche Panamera Limousine. While Porsche's standard Panamera sedans are already roomy, special builders take it even further by stretching them into truly incredible limos. Picture the sleek, sporty look of a Porsche Panamera, but now imagine it much, much longer, creating tons of space inside. Even as a limousine, it keeps that famous Porsche power and sharp handling, so every ride is still exciting. Inside, these custom Panamera limos become lavish lounges. You can expect super comfy, custom seats, often for 6 to 8 people, cutting-edge entertainment systems, cool mood lighting, and privacy screens. Some even have unique features like dramatic gull-wing doors, making every arrival and departure an unforgettable event. Presidential Series Realm FS 605. The Presidential Series Realm FS 605 isn't just a fancy RV. It's like a super luxurious, moving safe house designed for the most important people. Imagine a vehicle that combines the incredible comfort of a private jet with the top-level security of a personal bodyguard team. That's exactly what the Realm FS 605 delivers. Inside, you'll find much more than just big living rooms and amazing kitchens. We're talking about furniture custom-made just for this coach, incredible entertainment systems, and even special areas where you can work and handle business while you're on the move. But the biggest deal here is security. It features bulletproof windows, a system that cleans its own water, and even a secret panic room to keep its VIP passengers totally safe. Owning a Realm FS 605 is like having your own portable, super secure embassy. Sylvan Amphibious. Get ready to have your mind blown by the Sylvan Amphibious, a motorhome that absolutely breaks the mold. This isn't your average RV. It's an amphibious marvel that lets you enjoy both the freedom of the open road and the thrill of cruising on water. Just imagine driving off the highway, straight into a lake, and watching your luxurious living space turn into a yacht. The Sylvan Amphibious comes with a powerful engine that easily conquers both land and water. And it doesn't skimp on comfort either. Inside, you'll find spacious living areas with comfy furniture, a well-equipped kitchen perfect for making gourmet meals on the go, and all the fancy amenities you'd expect in a high-end home. But the real magic is its ability to go from road to water with just a flip of a switch, or maybe a splash. Picture yourself sipping a sunset cocktail on the Sylvan's private balcony as you gently float on the water. That's pure luxury redefined. Tabot Bellini 750 HTD, the ultimate luxury caravan. Step into the world of ultimate travel luxury with the Tabot Bellini 750 HTD 2.5 slide-out. This isn't just a caravan. It's a mobile masterpiece, crafted for elegance and your absolute comfort. At over 10 meters long, this spacious beauty rides on a super strong, shock-absorbing chassis, ensuring a smooth and steady journey wherever you go. It's built to impress and designed for long-lasting adventures. The Bellini comes packed with features to make your trip a dream. You'll find solar panels for power off the grid, a TV antenna, and fantastic optional extras like a huge awning for outdoor living, an entertainment center, and a top-notch security system. Inside, it's all about thoughtful design. There are 4 comfy beds and 7 windows that open wide, letting in plenty of light and fresh air. The Starliner SL25. Get ready for adventure with the Starliner SL25 motorhome. Built on the tough Iveco daily chassis, this isn't just any RV. It's designed to give you spacious luxury combined with serious off-road muscle. It's truly ready for anything, boasting a total weight capacity of 7.5 tons and able to carry 2 tons of your gear. Under the hood, the SL25 packs a punch with a strong 3.0-litre turbo diesel engine that churns out 180 horsepower and 430 pound-feet of torque. This power is smoothly managed by a 6-speed automatic transmission, and with its full-time 4-wheel drive system and locking differentials, you can confidently tackle rough trails and tricky terrain. Step inside, and you'll find a beautiful, high-end living space that comfortably sleeps up to 6 people. There's a cozy queen-sized bed in the back, a versatile dining area that turns into a bed, and even 2 clever pop-top bunks. Volkswagen ID. Buzz Cargo, your electric van, reimagined. Meet the Volkswagen ID. Buzz Cargo, the electric van that perfectly mixes cool, retro style with awesome modern tech. It looks just like the beloved old VW, Bulli, van, but it's built for today's businesses. This isn't just a pretty face, it's super practical. The ID. Buzz Cargo has a surprising amount of space inside. You can fit up to 3.9 cubic meters of stuff, making it perfect for deliveries, tools, or anything else your business needs to move. Worried about running out of power? Don't be. This electric van can go up to 276 miles on a single charge. And when it's time to recharge, it's lightning fast, powering up at speeds of up to 185 kilowatts. That means less waiting and more driving. Inside, the cabin is designed for your comfort and ease. VW Crafter Luxury Camper Van. Get ready for the ultimate road trip in the VW Crafter Luxury Camper Van, a custom creation by Reset and Chill Campers. This isn't just any camper. It's a truly luxurious home on wheels, packed with high-end finishes and all the comforts you could ever want for a stylish adventure. Built on the spacious Volkswagen Crafter LWB van, this model, known as the Onyx, offers plenty of room for up to 3 people. Inside, you'll find a generous wet room complete with a hot shower, a removable toilet, and a sink, all the conveniences of a full bathroom. There's also a fully equipped kitchen featuring a gas hob, a fridge, freezer, and a sink, so you can whip up delicious meals anywhere. The main living area boasts a comfy sofa bed that easily converts into a king-size bed, perfect for a great night's sleep. Plus, there's a handy single cab bed, ideal for a child or an extra guest. Walmart's advanced truck. The future of delivery is here. Get ready to see a whole new kind of truck on the road, courtesy of Walmart. Their advanced vehicle experience, WAVE, concept truck is a bold leap into the future of delivery, focused on being super efficient, environmentally friendly, and incredibly smart. This isn't just any semi-truck. It boasts an incredibly sleek, futuristic design that slashes wind drag by a huge 20% compared to today's trucks. This smart shape means it uses way less fuel. And get this, the trailer itself is almost entirely made of carbon fiber, saving a massive 4,000 pounds of weight. That's more cargo and even better fuel economy. Under the hood, it's a true innovator. The Wave features a microturbine hybrid powertrain that can run on various fuels, including those from renewable sources. This means super low emissions and a much lighter engine. Willy transparent LCD bus. See the city differently. Imagine stepping onto a bus where the walls are made of giant, see-through TV screens. That's the exciting idea behind the Willy transparent LCD bus, a super cool concept designed by Tad Orlovsky. This isn't your average city bus. Instead of solid walls, it uses huge, clear LCD panels. This means you can still see the outside world as you travel, but these very same panels can also show off all sorts of dynamic content. Think bright advertisements, important bus information, or even live news and TV shows playing right on the windows. The bus itself is built on a special, flowing frame that makes this amazing screen technology possible. The whole point is to completely change how you experience your daily ride through the city, making commutes more interesting and engaging. Since the Willy transparent LCD bus is still a concept vehicle, it's a prototype meant to show off futuristic ideas and technology.